CMP, Century Motor Producers, is a company specialized in designing and producing various types of three-phase electric motors. Our comprehensive range of electric motors are specifically designed to meet the diverse requirement and needs of our customers. CMP is using advanced manufacturing equipment to produce various types of motors. It starts from material selection, rotor assembly, ultrasonic process, winding and VPI process, painting and no-load test at the final stage. All CMP motors are designed according to IEC standard. CMP premium efficiency is highly efficient, which has lower absorbed power and running temperature. In CMP, we produced various types of motors with different efficiency, which consists of energy savings motors, IE3, premium efficiency, IE4, super premium efficiency, IE5, ultra premium efficiency, smoke spill motors, explosion proof motors, low and medium brushless slip ring motors. All our motors are certified and meet the required standards.